when you're there. Ghana for a paba. And in all honesty, some of us, we feel the pain of the people of Ghana. Because every baby a Ghana, Yamia Domara, in Zaman Yankopono de Chehena. I think, see a manage crony better, Ghana for Muboton. No mismanagement, no cause or what is going on. And I strongly believe that Ehena Yaya Manyosem and Brasso, our idiot say Ghana for Wasem, the Yanzama different in a way of the benefit of the people of Ghana. Aberdeen Academy. Since 1992, you will be our measure our friend and watch another bro for Cassiel what can misery. Misery no for you to measure and watch or a combination of factors.
Right.
One be your inflation or your in Zamanobu. The send the etomilka adechano butiden. Send the etodokuna adechano butiden. Send the etofufura adechano butiden on your inflation. So the prices of goods and services. From 2016 to date, in the Zamanobu wakoso exceedingly high. Apart from inflation also, you find the Kumasi ha, where your business no where you are, where your Kumasi population they are largely traders. So lending rate are extremely important. So walk bank and walk busa no walk what is the rate? And the Eco Bank be a rate or the more cry 40%. You cry 45%. And you know for crying 38% lending rate. Where was it before? Baby, a work we could do. And aside lending rate, they actually unemployment, another employment or system. Them three factors in a kabuma not the level of our oman. Since 1992, the Fourth Republic, this is the first time a misery index will do 47.7%, almost 50%. The worst of all, in the year 2000, 1999-2000, the middle of the economic crisis, it was about 29-30%. Today, we are seeing misery index at 47.7%. It shouldn't be. It should never be. Because if a baby a Ghana could do now, and what no too much. In some outside one hokake. One so in a new one. They don't know what they will eat the next morning. In fact, Ghana Stars Car Service recently, or the Tugwa, the Ghana for 8.4 million Ghanaians, representing 25% of the total population of the country. 25% of the total population of the country. In the year 2023, last year, they went without food one whole day. One day, do over 8.4 million Ghanaians went and what died. I'm not the one saying it. Ghana Stars Car Service, no wakasa. Maybe I was so happy then what discuss agriculture. Let me say it was country when I to me feed one. Let's say they be about crimes are my bad. Then you have failed. I strongly believe that there is the need that Ghana be able to prioritize agriculture so that at the minimum, the basic or the Ghana for you feed the young. Only the year come once the NDC year come once in agriculture policies, and I'm so surprised that people are already claiming and cocoa project in President Mahama or Kawasam. I'm so surprised because you see, chicken you consume more Ghana ha, yembi sayo the him for no fiber. And is it even in a good condition your consumer? Nah. Such a chicken you consume don't only for Brazil and other countries. And we amount of money I spend to import just chicken. Abraya was say you to me dua ebro, you to me feed and chicken. The yanka say you to me consume chicken. And the chicken is one of the basic staples. I ye kruma. You got to more chicken order do. So chicken day. And X.
So now, I'm glad you raise that issue. More opposition now, multi can money the day. They will see KF. But I remember more time these issues were raised, but they drew what? Now a problem because your earlier statement in a year, I was see it Ghana for. In opposition, I am more opposition. I would see Ghana for. But then I said, drew what now. I said, "Dear Becca, be a moon sedenti."
My brother, Membisa wasn't popular.
Nana Jantua.
Okay. Nana Jantua. First of all, I don't think the NDC for you say Ghana for. My party NDC for you and Sedam. Otobel, na ya Ghana for they lump all of us together, MPP and NDC. Yen when NDC pen, ni yen when MPP pen. In fact, even MPP mpo yen who the previous MPP under President Akufo-Addo. But
and
this under President Akufo.
Yeah.
This current MPP, Akufo-Addo na Bawumia wadano. He na yenyim ehon no wonte Ghana for. Onye NDC for bia. NDC for yete Ghana for asem. Ye bibi mpo na se Ghana for wa catchre hen. The adza worry ye onya. We pause. We listen. We take action to reflect the adza Ghana for hwehwe. Inti yente dem mama wonfa MPP for one suban in the last 8 years. Wonfa judge all politicians.
Mutie ya eye den na Ghana for be kase. Ye tuatiamu in 2016 se sabre no na mutie ya.
I think there.
Eye den na Ghana for be kase. De mo ye ya tuatiamu. If you were listening to us.
So first of all, I think that largely yente Ghana for because MPP for no won't say Ghana for because when they will feel that Ghana for one mandate into Obotu Abamahon based on what happened. But Mamin call back to what happened in the year 2016.
Yeah.
Ghana for largely and were fed up, they will feel the Abanisasa Umbra. Dema hena yenyim de Ghana ha said to Aba could do baby after 8 years and na ho afon Ghana for. So na Ghana for will feel there the way an MPP for wa kasan na will feel the obutum waye na NDC what na do 8 years no there was a sign. I don't think they were too against the NDC largely because NDC for won't say.
And according to that respectfully honorable according to NDC for no Ghana for nim di ntia tutia other than the 9 MPP for catch na ye nim se bia ahokyere wom na ye nim se saa bre no nso na adwuma na Ghana for na complain by adwuma sem no na enye legitimate unless say na ye MPP for na na kan kire yana.
I won't say it is not legitimate. First, NDC government watnado for 8 years, okay? And actually Fourth Republic abani bi odu 8 years Ghana for feel the ones abani. And so do baby na young from Ghana for so Ghana felt that once is an aban for from bra. Again, we can never say that everything was perfect under the last NDC administration. We can never say that. When we were leaving office, inflation was about 15%. I think 15.6%, 15.7%. Today, where is inflation? It is worse. In fact, at a point, it went to 54%, the worst in the Fourth Republic. Unemployment, particularly youth unemployment. I don't remember youth unemployment because on the wage in Semukra, youth unemployment when we're leaving office, yes, it was high at 22%, 21.2%.
Yeah.
Today, youth unemployment is 38.7%. So, as the last regime was better. We can never say that it was perfect. We've never had perfect government since Fourth Republic. In a perfect government. But the truth is, it beat its BHL. NDC in office is far better than what we are seeing today. President Mahama's administration is 100 times better than what we are seeing today. Every sector to sector. In comparison, they can never match the achievement of the NDC in the last 4 years. NDC's 4 years, President Mahama, another the President Melso Krakamwa, as compared to the 8 years of President Akufo-Addo and Alhaji Bawumia. It is never the case. So, we are not claiming to be perfect, but we are far better than what Ghanaians are seeing. Better than what Ghanaians are seeing today.
50 na pass mark. Now, ubi enye 50. But as about kunya 49 na ba kunya 47 na. Yemfa ni say when you pass mark, but when you 49, yemfa ni say.
Oh, I think NDC pass.
Samu.
MPP in the way fail.
How do you pass when you've been voted out?
Oh, voting out and on your yardstick to check to find out the government to be one perform another one perform.
Really, how?
You can you see when the citizens feels that embrace there was a sabana on foul performance. And we've seen that in the democracy all over the world or happen. Okay, all over the world. There are times as citizens will feel there. Yes, why be, but onko no before from bra. In the interest of democracy, it happens. Or sometimes opposition kasa to the extent there. You go one ebe feel the nyimpa no ore ya adempo on yadze. Ibi ne yehu 2016. We heard what Bawumia said, didn't we? there or your economic whiz kid or a messiah. He was coming to turn the country around and all. First, Yamfa Baumiale lectures and some more king. Exchange rate in some more when the economy is whatever it is, the exchange rate will expose you. Today, exchange rate will expose Hana. They inherited $1 to the Ghana cedi. At the time, 3 cedis 80 pesos when we were leaving office. At the black market, it was 4 cedi 20 pesos when we were leaving market. Today, you struggle to buy one just about 16 point something, almost 17.
Right.
Okay. Yaba Kumase ha. Kumase for particularly where your business people and traders. The exchange rate is so important to them. And the exchange rate to Jinaha, Adecho Jinahade, or fluctuate over the time. Business people find it difficult to plan. Apart from planning, some planning so you will lose your working capital. Go to Swal Magazine. Find out from the traders in Kumasi. They are losing their working capital by the day. They can't price 1 week continuous. Every week or they will review one prices. When review one prices are one year, walk next time one to Mkonkotawazi. This Ajaya Kamwasemi, one my citizens and a hotel kese wabo one asitinem. I've been to the Macadam. Yimparo wako akotoadze, ebi or time okotoadze and okrads and a beno, and a city no was let's say 16. The following week, no expected about tonadin within 1 month. No when you're no working capital, no was also the same consignment, no the ababoton. Okoton is 16. Within the month, no, I did not jump from 16 to 17. In between, although changing the prices. Or changing the prices, the impact is directly on you. Directly on the ordinary Ghanaian. So okonoda because also one ton them own to me nisika or chance to my cra maybe before fraba. So when pay attention, kids will be no ones sadama and pay and sheni ya nisika or then sakan, nisanka, negate roko. Coupled with that, government don't taxation. Now look at the value added tax system. We're distorting completely. This is the only country all over the world that I have personally seen as a tax professional, seen a combination of value-added tax and sales tax at the same time. Who does that? It's the incompetence is just too much. Why bondodo? The incompetence is just too much. Who does this? We raised this issue in Parliament. The President, we petitioned the government. I wrote to the Finance Minister personally. We criticized Ekwana was set up the value-added tax system. Why distorting? We introduced the sales tax in between it, what the value-added tax aba. What is going on here? Now, Eko Kumase, another all over the country. You won't crawford with your flat rate. VAT kronara yewono yewo ibi oye straight levy where decouple no from the value added tax regime was a COVID levy 1%, national health insurance levy instead of a part of the VAT and the president introduced as part of VAT and where decouple why in straight tax why a get fund straight levy nani na kaboma. The effective rate of VAT is 22%, 21.9%, so 22% effective rate.
Yeah.
In what it means, Mr. Jantua, what this means is that all over Africa, and you can Google it, Ghana's VAT regime were the highest in the entire Africa. I think Morocco is the closest with about 20%. 21.9% in a development economy. VAT 21.9%. No wonder they don't afford. Because they treat them VAT here and to survive. Into businessmen are encouraged by the regime to find a way not to comply with the value added taxes.
What should be the reasonable rate?
You see, the reasonable rate. Okay, so you're talking about the equilibrium rate.
Because they cost 17.5 for no crown. Yeah, near can once. I remember. Now, so you can say, now 17, 21.9 no, and
too much.
Yes, too much, yeah. But 17.5 for us. We were complaining, but at that time you justify the reason why I so 17.5.
So I've given you the highest in Africa at 20%, for example. I personally believe that VAT regime rating should not exceed 20% in a developing economy. Personally, that is my personal belief.
Okay.
I say this for a reason. Because you see, VAT or consumption tax, okay, Inti the incidence of tax another obia otua taxing is the ordinary person on the street. Can you imagine obi wa kotadze na orutua 20% VAT another abofra bakra wa won for baby aya won for economy sarah offended when it ban SME no kwakoto no tax of 20% or more 22%. My view, and that is why the NDC is saying COVID levy no ye be yefu 1%. So that knocks off 1%.
COVID levy no.
Yes, ye be yefu. Our first budget will take COVID levy out. It's our pledge, firm pledge.
No be no day agenda 111.
No. COVID levy. Look, I'll tell you how we'll make money.
Okay.
But first of all, our pledge, you be you COVID levy if you.
Okay, now you're 20.9.
Now I go 20.9. 2, we recouple or value inhale and get fun.
Okay.
So recouple now, it doesn't cascade. Into cascade in ye fuel. Ye cascade in if we save another 1%. Okay, so me home makana wa fan simple na there. Can be kakra. Okay, so what it to my
national health and then get fun
so first of all no yam fan the akota the base in here 2,000 Ghana cedis. Let's say 1,000 Ghana cedis. 17.5% or 17.5% of the 1,000 or 17.5.
Yeah.
Okay. So that gives you a new base.
Okay.
So it becomes 1,175.
Yeah.
Okay, a new base.
Yeah.
And so now, base because the base is now by kesen, and so the 2.5 no. Okay. And so another base. Then the base has increased, and so you add another 2.5%. So it means in effect, it is not the old base of 100 and 1,000. So the base in mathematics.
Okay.
Now, Sankaye, your basic calculator, and say a director, 20% director. When the taxing or swatching there will be a basin or increasing basin. So they've been doing that consistently to impose high tax on the people.
Okay, and I'm breaking it down.
Tax for friend cascading effect.
All right, honorable, I'm breaking down now. Said the Bayer, Yamami Otijum Nintiasi. Many honorable Dr. Cassiel at Forson, NDC caucus in Parliament on a year leader or making sure say Ghana so ebekɔ anim na ɛfa ɛtoɔ ho asɛm na wɔka no on say yɛmfa ne sɛ nkebia yɛse wotɔ adeɛ na adeɛ no yɛ 1,000 na yɛse wobɛtua ɛtoɔ bi a 20% nti ane de wonim sɛ bi a wode bɛɛ 20 cities 200 cities bi na ɛbɛsɔ so nti bi a bɛyɛ no 12,000 1,200 but deɛ aban wei ayɛ no ne sɛ 1,000 onya yɛ first calculations na onya yes calculations na obehu ane se de yenya foforo no ne yese ye eno no calculation biem etubon se bia nka 1,200 na ye wo se wutia no unya 1,200 na ban na sa chichemu ama the next eto na musa de ka ho no na ese be ka 1,200 instead of 1,000 no ho etubon so obewie no na eto ne kosoro chen senka ye betene direct every 1,000 dinimu until this time around no ye tue eto no more than senka bia aban no ebe taxe sika ne bia ade ne 2,000 na 3,000 na 1,000 na eno ho to na woje na we di aban no ekọ nanim na odi bi ka ho na te se ama bibia nso ayo kenti ono kire se omoba omobe sesa sa ade no ama eto no aba from. They say me from the minority leader na majority.
You can call, maybe you can call me both minority majority.
Nhyira FM 104.5.
To be safe. Until then.
Okay, that's interesting. But the issue of tax, Mamembo we entro. Edru maybe na Ghana for under your government taxation etwo na Ghana for say etwo ne sododo say na Mahama ka kire me ba no mebusa
or something like that, because the thing about government investment and expenditure is the money doesn't come from anywhere, it comes from ourselves. And especially you have a country where the number of people know that they must pay a tax on income do not exceed 30% of the population. Almost 70% of the population pay only indirect taxes. And so you either have to open up the shop and take a daily rate. And at the end of the year, we're all supposed to go and file our taxes and declare our incomes. And you say, okay, you pay 1,000 Ghana, you pay 500, you pay this. 70% or more of our people don't file their tax returns. And so the only way you can raise money, really, is through the tax system. And the only way you can get everybody to contribute is through indirect taxes. And indirect taxes include like consumption of petroleum products. And so those who consume more, if you have a V8 and you buy more petrol, then you're paying more tax. If you sit in a trotro, you're paying less tax because 15 of you are in the trotro using the same fuel. And so those are some of the things that we're faced with. It's not every decision that would be popular. But what was I elected for as president? To take popular decisions? If I took popular decisions to make you happy with me, this country would be in the ground by now. They're tough decisions. I mean, do I take pleasure in imposing taxes on people as if, you just take a pleasure in doing it?
I agree with him.
Yera John Mahama Patoma means explaining Kakrebi. Yera John Mahama and Sema no ka that time we president and now ye Ghana phone so can a 12 to one no say Ghana phone ted and pet 220 to be a was all the question baby be a friend indirect no. Na decision bi wo ho a enye de enya de a eye ne de say bi a to nanso eto na ye benya free ho a ne de ye adwuma. Enti edin de but e wo say oye because yanto amane say or may take decisions about my and what toy. And so on a bonum person busa. I'm not sure saying no kufu do need 3 more dian say or the 2 way to swa say ye ho betre but necessary say now the COVID-19 one beba then they said be ya ibenya sika ne dia boy ho bra. And so say amonso mo kan a 2 way a 2 monso mo complaining no. The justification of a 2 no akwa eti say ni nyina ye gene dia beboa Ghana. So difference be anyway.
Enwa asama President Mahama Keno, Mamin Chechiremo Kakra. For at the time I was a deputy minister of finance under his regime.
And you someone to Teswa Memphis.
No, on to them. You see, there were taxes being types of taxes or 2.
Yeah.
There were taxes on income. The Nimpebia iye jumana inya utua wakawa, you pay some form of taxes. So iye juma company ha. You have to pay income tax.
Right.
Another, in other words, a bit more friend PAYE, pay as you earn. In the same vein, in a say, a boy with you self-employed, not so also as a person in your income, also or the income tax on that company, personal income tax. And a company Bianso is a separate legal entity. Or ye nimpa in disguise. Them company also or ye there otia tax.
Right.
Into also the tax no so companies so corporate income tax.
Yeah.
Then we have another type of tax called consumption tax. El kota the watso. No be no of an indirect tax. So the first one income tax of indirect. Now the other one is indirect tax. Them tax ebieni. Gradually all over the world, particularly developing economies, yenyi formalized system. No, it is difficult to rake in direct taxes. So you can see a shift where countries are reducing the focus on direct tax to indirect taxes, consumption tax. I strongly believe in the next few years the world will move towards indirect tax, and that's where the world is going now. So indirect tax, where consumption tax on the erotaza, and there are also 2 forms: either value-added tax or sales tax. And nobody makes the 2. Now, the competence of MPP, I'm seeing them mixing the 2.
Right.
So Ghana, in the past, near sales tax under President Rawlings, near moving to VAT. You're moving to VAT.
Right.
Now, we are saying, and only in the Mijina Hammer can have some day. VAT, no, or your good tax. But there's something in taxation our friend Lafakef today. Taxing or kosoro in a bringus car, but you would level be so you too higher. The rate is going up, but you are not gaining sika or denya. Compliance, obey low because Nimpana would you and too high, so they can't pay, so they will have to find a way to avoid it. Mr. Jantua, the truth is, VAT regime or Ghana were distorting. Were distorting to the extent today. Or your businesses in an individual are what you are taxing. I deny too high as we speak, the entire Africa minimum baby are VAT no boy zenekese on in Ghana at 21.9%. With the Dawayanina, we believe that it should not exceed 20%. President Mahama was a firm commitment. Time on all few officing, VAT was not 20%. It wasn't 21.9.
Yeah.
He is committing. The Yamaya na dum no be Ghana president. Na Santemai what to Obama no be president. First, obey COVID levy if you
COVID levy.
Obey if you Two, obey couple no. Or your VAT na watch chichimino or recouple na obey them cascading in over carbon so carbon obey bringing low to 20%.
Okay.
At that time, evidence chede obobuama hona wutia taxing obiare tuya. So there will be no revenue loss, as we say it. We've run the simulations, and it shows that there will be no revenue
17.5 under your regime, we're still struggling to pay.
Yes, so but now I don't know. 17.
What is the probability? Say 20. Okay, we are still struggling.
So yes, but you see, Obi Amado from 17.5 or that could do 21.9. We are saying that we'll start reducing it.
Omu buy no so na omo se mumu news and taxes no mu yi. Omu yi ya anche e no musa de bi ba ho. Enti den na kire se mu nso mu yi a bedru ba bi no. Mo me kan kire ye se baby adri aho kire abanti ye mfa nko 21
we are giving NDC for yam firm commitment.
Sa na mo ma o.
Yam firm commitment. Emma Santeman, Emma Ghana fui na mo bi atase there. The next NDC government on the VAT value added tax regime. Exceed rate na yakawasem in our manifesto.
All right. Now, my main call back to interest rate. Any inflation in a bush for example, more time, one of the challenge was the same interest rate I will bank bosia 30, 34, 40. Now you struggle pa.
Mpacho ye do 40 da.
But I mean you were almost
and this
I remember one of my banks during your regime.
No.
They were charging at 40%.
No, ABA call microfinance
at 40%.
But not a bank.
But I would say microfinance
but not because you can't lending rate now. But in the microfinance over you by 100.
So now we are back to the same thing where people are charging 30, 35 and the likes. And no idea hadrin the same so okoje bank bosiano ekosro and te said ye woka say mona munim taxation say na me koje bank bosiana me tua 30 35 40 it doesn't make sense. So then na mo beye me no ko because they sika say moti ase I want to focus on those kind of nyoma no then na me ya ban Momo buy NDC moba interest rate mo de be kosen na amaye ne ekoje bosia ye ho beto yi se mo say eton mo bete so anyi bia mete so interest rate no se ekoje bank bosia mo and the NDC mo de be kosen amaye.
Okay, munia interest rate ne ho central interest rate or kosoro no or ya abanen enore ma interest rate no or kosoro me can them because abanen ne kwana ofado or bobosan in our drive interest rating on year one and a two or your inflation no now why could do so be brain in also or drive interest rating and see your interest rate are they being no a determinant of the interest rate. One is inflation and two or your lending rate and or cost or your interest rating ma or could be away doing
right
my men start men can fast in Kasamfa or the first one no. You see, so government expenditure would level be too much. Particularly we borrow what your consumption. Now we borrow from T-bill marketing or drive interest rate. Aban nankasa da oye nyi de oye sike biara na wako T-bill market. Na wako bobusa na obobusa so aban nankasa onye private people compete. In Tabano konoso project interest rate into say 30 something percent. Because ohiensi okwa rate be also opebia na waje. So depend on drive rating or the koson kakra. In Tabano wako 35% or no yaba no wako 35%. Awona a year ordinary person e call them wine. Abanumpo so oye dina aban enka no nya nansen ya president Kufuor no ba umia wo be ya enka obia nyim de aban no bosa de oil risk free. Sisi ampo de into me risk free biom. We defeat them age old economic theory or financial theory no what's abandoned the bosa risk free no for the first time in the history of Ghana it doesn't exist on your risk free bill risk or on a crown put abano crown or risk on a crown or origin bear 35%. Then it means the banks will now be compelled to also lend to our maybe plus another percentage because our risk no until that ban risk because you are an individual into risk near high into be what the spread and what the 2% be back on and that 3% be back on now what's an more. Then number 2, the issue of inflation. Inflation na yeru hunwo or ye or man numun or dosodo. And inflation also is being driven by 2 things. One, Bank of Ghana now what's one now what Tracy-Kana wadzema ban high powered money. Na so oba system no more monetary economics or develop or ye inflation in the system. On internet at a point I led a demonstration against the Bank of Ghana governor. The inflation no could do all rising all the way to 54%. On personally, I'll hold him accountable because as a governor of the central bank, Ghana Brano or more kwan resist or your monetary financing as a governor. And Ghana Bremen was say reason why I amend the Bank of Ghana Act. I remember at the time I was even a deputy minister. And government Bank of Ghana were print up to our finance ban budget 10% of the previous year's revenue. 10%. And there's a reason why. The reason is that it financed more than 10% of the previous year revenue. It's kind of inject into economy or drive inflation. And so it is prohibited by law. Now, what prohibited and yes, no, even 10% no cry or you too high. In Tianko for Kwanibi, they reduce into 5%.
Right.
So we brought it to 5%. Them governor about better what President Kufuor na nunu aba umia we yin sika pe wo free governor ya. Instead of 5% now or lending all the way to about 85% of the previous year's revenue. 85%. When they printed money in excess, just fine excess, what trisikadama. And then Odu Baby said, no, we will not allow this to happen. Okay, yeah, I led a demonstration personally, and I take responsibility. Your co-governor, no, you, Mr. Governor, a ban or your Bank of Ghana in brand and or protect to be able to say no to a certain president. I didn't see the President Kufuor in the new about me fro. Now catch your print gumala because they need money. What's that with 2020 elections? What do 2021, 2022 didn't where do baby do. That's why we rose up against them. And when inflation reached 54.1%, the country no collapsing. Yes, no, baby or no on yet. But inflation is 54%. Time value is kanan kasano ne value ni yahin. So business carry my inflation 54%. He can't charge you less than inflation because some of them will lose. So we need to drive inflation down. By one, central bank. I have if I'm Momuya and kadem 5% no crowd will make it 0%. Zero central bank financing. On in the year 2016, President Mahama or committed to zero central bank financing. One just came for central bank when and that was the beginning. For the first time since 1957, Central Bank of Ghana won't trace India. So what trace Crown Pona, it should not exceed 10% of the previous year's revenue. Inti de bi asema makan de. Say pede inflation oba foma. Bank of Ghana, Central Bank financing or you're reducing to zero. Name a stability of a system. No. It's only in emergencies. The emergency no crowd work parliament, no work permission and sign a central bank with my financing. The man say be any 2 million. Obama if lending rate in Obama form mo bia no hard no money.
Instra 104.5 Cassiel mene honorable Dr. Ato Forson and and minority majority leader in parliament and and common now mobile jibusia.
First of all, abani bia oba obobosa. Kwame Nkrumah bobosa. President Kufuor bobosa. Rawlings bobosa. John Mills bobosa. John Mahama bobosa. President Kufuor President Kufuor enu nua ba wumia wa bobosa abrodo. So bosa ne de obi abobobi. But odu baby there should be a limit. Na dam bosa ni na no ebobosa za de beye no hia. Abedin sa makadam. Se bobosa na sokọ high presidential jet na nambrima na have a buffer. In generate economic activities bosa no duha botumetu akaw. In the same vein, se bobosa na se bosa no ediye bibia emfaso ba ho na se sika no duho na se de tua ebotumetu akaw. I'll give you 2 examples. John Mills, John Mahama, both presidents, we decided to go bobosa efi China. No we see Ghana gas. Na yen gas na yen sakan, you process the gas. Na at the minimum, you use gas in that power yen thermal plants. Ama over reliance on gas ye jifi Nigeria. Na Nigeria for what you foreign currency we seize. I can assure you, you could borrow sika almost $1 billion, 990 billion from CDB, China Development Bank. Yet baby see or your thermal plant or friend and Ghana gas or Twabu. That why we creating employment. Apart from employment now we're creating Wabua and Ghana formerly over reliance no ye gas if in Nigeria now you see. So far, in Faso Ghana when ye fee or ye Ghana gas on is over $4 billion. So Busani ye triano how many times? 4 times, 400%. Since you're constructed or your Ghana gas. And the evidence is there. That is kind of Busa we are talking about. Number 2, in the NDC manifesto Yakade, we have huge concentration of oil minerals, bauxite, Nadze, in any area in the Asante region. We will construct a railway line linking western region oil of then Takoradi Port to Awaso by railway line. Awaso railway your friend and bauxite near Kamwasemen. Another in bauxite near Kamwasemen. Won't muntu until there ya railway line atum. No railway line also. The railway line no one connect into the bauxite into the baby to bauxite now. Investigate because it the cost of transportation at the hauling in Yamanada Kono a bobokau because it will not be competitive again. Because world market price nobody want in the cost tonight but Zaman abokau. And the volumes of Nzama able to know offer kwano do best
but projects here okay long term I'm sure that
that's the kind of things you borrow money for.
So you're going to borrow to do that.
So those things that otumesisa or manen.
I agree, but mobile now be a muji says.
But young kobo busa ni yamfon ko chinchinga. Another young kobo busa na sebe yamfon ko si as a friend and yamfon ko high aeroplane yungwaru. That one won't do it.
If our parliament inti one yantu. So now
you see first of all
parliament must abu say aye can let's say you are telling me say bosia na MPP aboni nyina na amfa parliament o ma na diskano.
Okay. So, my mentor makes na parliament to operate.
Yeah.
Bosabi the mobile parliament will use a simple majority. And the Hansard will bear me out.
Yeah. Which you also used.
But Hansard no will bear me out.
Musumu use
Oh, right? Yes.
Okay.
Simple majority.
Good.
Into some MPP for what by parliament. na wasi wo pede wo kobo busa. My job is to assess whether the busa no adze na wo dokoye or ya papa. I call it use of proceeds.
Right.
Na yehwe terms of the loan. Say hwe say me was strong conviction that adze no nya de papa, I oppose it. Me oppose oboko loan, oboko voting. Oko voting na what happens we stick yebo to haba. You to haba na say MPP for no do so chen here and always him the do so chen here. Because watching them na Ghana photo about chen one. Into one a pen will could be here na busa no approve. What can I do? Even though me oppose, even though me can answer. And you have evidence, me sure that it's in Bibria, Mark Hansam, them Busse on ye, or
Ghana.
Oh, Memo example, what J Euro bonds here and the one to mean to Yakawi. What Jiba and a Asian Zama Wadroka consumption, a goods and services are buying knock into would be more would be able to can it be what the board top papers office, it be what the bay we saw it. What Sabato? People from Parliament. No, Mr. In Parliament. MPP for why they are and this for your posi. MPP for what Jebosa what Jebosam the cotton pen what I'm a manjantum. Parliament, but I'm correct too. Parliament, MPP I mean, I voted against it.
Yeah, but Parliament,
Nansem Kokwajebusa be cocoa board, the care, or Kwajebusa the walk cotton chocolate. Boso, what's your cotton chocolate or charm school for Moframa?
So, Montomato.
Bosaro Kwajin and mum chocolate in one back.
And why can the deans are
Maka was some Mac and say and say me.
But
my press conference. I was to my one person. And she said, the Maka Ghana for another
Muntimi and Kiki. So, first, I would deal with this cano and when I say I can't was a near press AMP before disco near we.
You see, Ghana for me pedama kade. NDC and Brashebedrafo, we have a responsibility to the people of Ghana. Edwuma nyankopon no da mahen ma yegudiye ye parliament in there ye ba identify in zama or wrong na ya present ama Ghana for. Ye expect Ghana for there wo bete hen na wa kan ye ho na ye oppose. But obi eje edwuma ni na egu NDC for MPC no kote wodo. Ya ka sama we see na them haircut in semi mema warning. Meka ho asem ye kan go so NDC amanyo asem obi ante hen inti mankote abadina mutumaye another NDC MPs 137 ya demonstrations ya kasa obi ankan ye ho ne he na ya tena ho Ghana free na wa ye form NDC fonkote ne ye ko ema MPP na Kufuado na Bawumia wa say o mani na mo mani adu bebe wedi
bebe wo kwa minority nso kasa omutimi use the court system to stop them. You see, they use it. They use it. No. They have been so many.
Court here. Me NDC minority. Yeah, successful. You use here stop one. Tax exemptions. PD ekaya. Wako for tax exemptions. Aba Parliament. Worth $539 million. Anima, what's in the individual companies be or your one crop for one companies one more on tax exemption? I fought against it. Me caucus your court boy gui there I do parliament in one to make once month the parliament decide we ya fight could baby was okay bomb now we're reducing why Bible reducing now to 300 and something million still mean say what about to $103 million still mean say so $539 million and you reducing now to 103 million still I can smell corruption in it. Still, we are fighting against it. So there are instances I fight. And Maminjina Hanaman Kade, in the last 4 years, NDC MPs our parliament, we have not gone to sleep. Ya ye druma kese ya da Ghana na kanko. Ya ye druma papebi emma oman Ghana. What you to me the NDC MPs ya femeze. But I can always say that ye be ya femeze. Ye into me na. Ye hear one so. One also media, civil society organization. Na Ghana fankasa, the diary canonia the year can because we are in opposition. But we are saying this because MPP fu a kwana what the Ghana refado me can people for crampo mankani ye. President Kufuado, Nunia Bawumia, ne finance minister, and a banning non croffer what nado. A kwana what the Ghana refadon. Munia on ye, or there Ghana free na ye soul, na ye to abayedit, said the monk feed woko, no wabre.
Honorable Dr. Ato Forson and Menino Chichin Common. Honorable T voice way. Tim Sebastian interviewed John Dramani Mahama at that time around 2014-2015 on Amemuno, Yentina, Mr. Bauso.
Economy. When you took over in Ghana, you promised to build a strong and resilient economy. Instead, you've presided over a steadily worsening economy. Growth has slowed dramatically. It's down from 9% in 2011. It's expected to be 3.9% this year, according to the OECD. Last July, Ghana's Trade Union Congress held a nationwide demonstration, issued you an ultimatum: address the widespread perceived corruption in the country and halt the depreciation of the currency. Why isn't that happening?
The economy is not like a motor vehicle where you just tighten nuts and bolts and the engine is...
But there's efficient running of it or inefficient running of it, isn't there?
You cannot attribute it to inefficiency. There are issues that resulted in the current economic challenges that we face. And I'll just walk you through. One is the implementation of a new universal salary structure in which we were trying to achieve equity in public service salaries and wages. In its implementation, there was a wage overrun, and the wage bill ballooned, much higher than was anticipated. So that was one of the causes. But
investors are losing confidence.
No. Investor confidence is high.
Association of Ghana Industry says business confidence dropped from 98 points at the end of last year to 85 in the first quarter of this year. That's a loss of 13 points in business confidence.
Business confidence is still high. I was just going to explain to you. We have economies that have traditionally been based on the export of primary products and import of capital goods. It takes time to diversify those economies. And so our economies are susceptible to the shocks on the international commodity markets. Remember that cocoa is our leading export, and then gold is our second leading export. We've just had an oil and gas industry, a new oil and gas industry. Now, what happened between 2010 and 2012 was that there was a dramatic reduction in price of cocoa. Gold has still not recovered from above $2,000. Gold is selling at $1,200.
But while you make that point, Center for Policy Analysis says we Ghanaians are giving too many excuses and blaming our problems on the negative impact of external forces. Investors don't trust the way we're managing the economy. That's your own Center for Policy Analysis.
You can pick up many such studies. What I'm saying is
they're all saying the same thing.
We need to change the basis of our economy. It doesn't take 2 years to do it. I've been in office for 2.5 years. It doesn't take 2.5 years to transform the basis of the economy. And that's why we have presented to Parliament an agenda for transformation to diversify the economy, to add value addition and not just export primary products, to introduce manufacturing, to expand the services sector, increase agriculture and agriculture.
People are impatient.
People are always impatient.
The majority of your people don't approve of your handling of the economy.
Majority
your
of people,
of Economic Affairs.
Majority,
56% of
majority of people in all countries are impatient. Even here in the developed world, in Europe, people are.
John Dramani Mahama in 2015 on your correspondent DW Tim Sebastian now on now all came about the way na Ghana Fonso Kanda John Mahama, the pressures and all those things. And then one critical thing, I'll say ultimately for 2 years and manage and make sure say we economy is
the transformation. You talk about transformation.
Yes, so Nyoma Bibra kind the next 2 years was so be expanded way importation and Nyoma Bibria we are hoping by 2016 na yehu. But by the end of your office, manufacturing was recording negative. Our Greek was not doing well. Inflation, there was a challenge. All these things now no. So I want to ask, Senyamiya Dumna Moba next year. Yemma how many years now meet me Ghana?
Okay. So John, thank you. Or the issues in Naba out. First, Dame Pedama Kanyede. Enka interview Nansama Papa no Bisa President Mahama inano. Yam picking one by one at a time. Baby are not all patched or your west and yam phone compare in there. Ibomude President Mahama then Ghana for a cousin. And then there. say na Ghana for Kasanda or then the Ghana Kawaii demonstration against the Kufuor or Pamnifido because in Zama Jinsem completely every single thing that he talked about. Every single thing. As a correspondent in Obisa, or friend and interview and Obisa President Mahama, every single thing. Why Jinsem? A crumpo you are in there or you better than before.
But does it make John Mahama better? When to me I'm managing to does it mean say we nenya di just say John Mahama nenya yemfanisa.
So me pedama kade President Kufuor na Bawumia is not the solution.
But John Mahama is
Bawumia is not the solution.
But
or
John
your
Mahama
failure. President Mahama is far better.
Even though we were complaining.
Because you see, if inflation was 15.7% and Ghanaians were complaining, and it rose all the way to 57%, how many percent increase? If at the time we are saying that business confidence has dropped from 96 point to 85 and about 13% minus, what is it today? It's over 50% drop. If at the time we were saying that Ghana's export, we were relying on gold, cocoa, and oil and gas. Cocoa, wegun. Cocoa sector, egu. Ghana cocoa, but wegun. When we were leaving office, we were almost 1,964,000 metric tons per cocoa production. Today, we are struggling to do 400,000 metric tons. Cocoa industry, wegun. Oil and gas, now started booming. Today, oil and gas sector is declining. 8 years under President Kufuor and Dr. Bawumia, 1 additional oil field, one for Bibiamba upstream. Upstream, additional oil. Yan oil sector is going. I've heard a friend and the Munko for fund and Public Interest and Accountability Committee, PIAC. PIAC is in there. Sankagana one take steps I am in the next 10 years our oil sector will collapse because President Kufuor no conform for Bimbimbai gas in Narukufum. What's all when you Ghana, when you oil companies now come a year and I wait to if Ghana. What to if Ghana walk Ivory Coast? We could invest $10 billion in Ivory Coast. Mrs. Ivory Coast, when your oil and the boom, no way booming, it will be more than Ghana. ExxonMobil ran away from Ghana because of corruption. Ran away from Ghana because of corruption. No oil major want to come to Ghana because of mismanagement of the sector. For 8 years under President Kufuor. What's happening? What is happening to Ghana? Everything and people will collapse. So I'm telling you that the next NDC government will restore confidence. First of all, in the oil and gas sector. 2, cocoa sector will revitalize it immediately.
I want
immediately.
Timelines.
You see, timelines now.
No, it's very important. Since more 4 years, since about 2025, 8 January.
So first of all, Cocoa Board, as a state-owned organization, or they have overhaul management and complete because they are useless, they are incompetent, and they've destroyed Ghana's
Cocoa Board.
Cocoa Board.
On the say 1 month.
First month, on the weeks, first week, in 24, the first 2 weeks in office, we will deal with Ghana Cocoa Board. Okay. And we have to deal with it.
Okay.
Because the chief executive is the most incompetent chief executive I've ever seen in my life. Incompetent.
Cocoa Board.
Cocoa Board.
Okay.
What's the cocoa sector?
All right, next one.
We need to encourage the cocoa farmers to plant cocoa by giving them the right price. So the next cocoa pricing regime will give them the right price. Because today, as we speak, Côte d'Ivoire, 1 bag of cocoa or 9,400 Ghana cedis equivalent. Togo, 8,900. Ghana, 3,100. So first of all, yes, in Chad is the next pricing season. So the next pricing regime, is based on the price. So we look at the price now, a world market price, and at the time the next pricing season will start September 1st. Okay. So 1st of September, it will determine or it will be dependent on the world market price at the time in September.
So let's say 7,000.
So all what we are saying is that we are committing to give the farmer 70% of all FOB prices. So FOB price and whatever it is, we'll give them 70%. Today, they are giving them 30-something percent.
But
70%.
Next one here then.
So we are telling you that again, the Ghana for what's happening. Your concentration on agriculture. You boost agriculture. so that Ghana will start feeding itself.
Agree na not that time no in 2014 now we are importing 1 billion move free to $2.4 billion
and the
but John Mahama promised in 2014 say obe cut it down that agree but move we no na yes our cost
so me pede me be
so what's
and
the big
I hear ye import.
No, I know there's a challenge but
I am asking you worse.
Okay, it is worse, so how do
so
you make
whatever
it better?
it is we will reduce it by 50%.
Sir,
Yes,
yeah, record you.
we are determined. And I'm happy. I'm happy. I can even see it. We will take steps to cut down on agric.
Timeline
agric
steps and all timeline.
Okay, so first of all, mama example. Your palm industry will collapse in Ghana.
Okay.
Palm industry now will collapsing as a result in the oil palm yara ye consume Ghana ye import fi countries ye deba oil palm kra Ghana. You see Ghana your annual consumption of oil palm is about 300,000 metric tons.
Right.
We produce about 150,000 metric tons. Why? Almost 50% of the national consumption is imported by even oil palm. We believe that the time has come for us to reinvigorate our oil sector, oil palm, edible oil. So we are going to invest in the sector. It takes, from the time you acquire the land banks to the time you build, it takes 3 to 4 years. The next 3 to 4 years, this importation of crude palm oil will be out.
Because in 3-4 years,
because Abeno, you have to first of all plant.
So I'm looking at the short term. Whilst you are looking at
the
long term.
The short term.
How do we reduce that oil price in our country?
So
because we are expecting
all,
at least and
yes,
at least and the NDC are buying.
Okay.
So the time I'm planning long term. No.
Yes.
Better than
okay. So
ordinary.
Namakano, you want zama or your quick fixes.
Okay.
Your company bit the Wilma. What tema? Wilma no what tema? Ono auto palm ifi baby to the benzo oil palm plantation.
Right.
Auto beefy oye GOPDC. Ewo kede. Auto beefy trifu oil palm plantation top. Ewo trifu praso. So auto or producing locally. Or producing locally and won't beat the fight na whatever system no more button. Today Wilma was shut down. The operation was shut down operation because of the importation abano allowing the companies need now according to ones when you're so first of all you need to revive it. Those are quick fixes that can be done within the first 3 months.
First 3 months.
They are quick fixes that you can do.
Okay.
Then aside the quick fixes, you plant for long term. And those are the things that we will do.
Let's look at the unemployment issue. You will come and meet according to ERU. Problem now here so far Sisiana about continue till 2026. Unfortunately, if my memory serves me right, you were a kebi wasn't buying to our push it till 2026, which means it says we're buying about betua. Una baby to us I can.
Yeah, I can sampa. I will take you through this. I will take you through this.
And so I want to understand Ejuma under John Dramani Mahama. I think we have like 5-6 minutes.
Okay.
Until we manage here.
Okay.
Ejuma specific. But now we are number your question about what dear. So manage sika. Na se engineer do call hono.
Okay.
Ejuma ni here.
So first of all,
yeah,
Mamanka, what we can do to help create employment.
All right.
Employment na yen creating no is because of 2 things. Aban na otsedon. Onfa nzama osefata. Oye policies are obe encourage the private sector but we create employment. Manyo Cassiel, Unilever, one Lipton tea plant we're collapsing. Morocco, Wharton, Oko, another country. Manyo Cassiel, even Big Pen nan will produce Ghana. We're crossing what they call Ivory Coast. Or a few examples. A lot of companies will Ghana work. Obviously, as a result of lack of confidence in the management of the economy. And when now wobu oye or manen untum umbuni ye into businesses and woni hope. Taxes and also wados to the extent today. Businesses and they cannot survive here. Into when now what they were shut one companies no work. I've told you what we are going to do. First, tax be today emission tax. It will see a tax and I could for the coffee buy and the baumia. You be ye betting tax, you be ye or your COVID levy. COVID-19 levy 1% as disguised in VAT. Yebeye fi ho. E-levy yebeye fi ho. First budget, we will signal confidence to the business community. Yen tata hon na company bi today year na wungwana nko or your Ivory Coast. Yen hon bakasa mo asana babak. Yet the private sector no, we will boom the private sector with good policies. That means private sector no be start to create employment. Ye wo enwono nso a ye pede ye boa hon through the national apprenticeship scheme. Na ya mo hon nsa no dwuma obotum we create one kasa won adwuma.
Right.
We are also saying that we are going to create Mbesiafo Bank, Mba Bank, Women's Development Bank.
Right.
Na ya Mbesiafo seed money.
Right.
Sika or ye low interest or virtually no interest.
Right.
Na ya da Mbesiafo mo won trade na worry ye no wetum wakodo. Again, cedi na or depreciate constantly no will reduce the cedi depreciation. You reduce the cedi depreciation now. Obobo am businesses na worry system no mu watna and the traders no so we adwuma so we adwuma akodo no we to employ nkrofo.
Right.
These are quick fixes. Short term measures.
And no yemfa say one first year.
First budget. You see, the budget will signal a lot of things. But the biggest problem President Kufuor will leave behind. Ononya Alhaji Bawumia will leave behind in there. Nkrofo wa bobusa ma bosa no wo wie so a bosa no wontu aka ba men kire ade bia wa wa ha. Oye 2025. Bosa wa bo egu ho a wentu aka wa aban foforo ombra no ombombo tu aka wo no. The next government no obape sika President Kufuor wa bo egu ho a domestic nkotia odo otua oye 999 billion Ghana cedis. Million Ghana cedis equivalent. So 15.9 billion.
Hey.
1 year 2025. 2026 impode on it we me besho. 2026 no. Dollars nkotibosa oye the President Kufuor wabwa to the next government on the EIU epic one and the details are scary. 2026 $12.6 billion maturity in cedi equivalent no or 202.7 billion Ghana cedis. The next government will have to pay. Day one. And oya hometel there. You see 2026 say aban badra the next government in about first 2 weeks. Bosa wa boy guha oya there the next government will have to pay. If I take you through it, you have a shock of your life. Let me take you through. You see, so eba aban oba officer ala on the 27th of January, 20 days are abino oba the next government John Mahama na ban oba pay.
Yeah.
First 20 days about 2.4 billion cedis loan na why you do. Then after 20 days new year on the 17th of March about another 2.2 billion. 7th of April about another loan na why you do 1.4 billion. It can in Abuma or 15.9 billion cedis.
Based on that the reality ni say e was a wona utua. Yes. Me busa say ubetua. Yes say pedwuma. Yes ama say wo de ahokyere beba fom. Ubetimi aye. Muntimi amonka nkyere ye.
See,
mubetimi aye.
There's one pledge I'm pede me kachira santeman. Me gina wo sempie do na me kachira santeman.
Aka 2 minutes for that into ono kachire ye. Ne mfani. So ubetimi a untimi nya kachire ye.
Mr. Jantua.
Yeah, kachire ye.
President John Mahama. Why be pen?
Okay.
NDC for ya be pen. Ye pede ye magana for what I said there. Ye to me the MPP President Kufuor na Bawumia wada no wa say o manen. Ghana say. Bi biara wade once again wa sen. Ahoche no wa badodo the meeting kan wa asaman. Me pede magana for what I said there. NDC for President Mahama Dayano. Ya ye determined, ready. They be fix this mess.
We are sure.
Ya ye ready, determined. Ya ye ready keko. Ya ye determined. The ekwana was say your manen ekudu no. Hien ye be fix your manen.
We are sure.
And ekwana ye be fado be fix your manen. De ye the selflessness. Ne tree and fancy what Canadian. Selflessness. Ahofama. Ye za ahofama ye the best san Ghana ne shebre because baby a chrono rokwan. Se abani okodo no otenado a Minia, Mijana Mekachro, MPP for so what could know what Tanado, Kwana, what the Ghana for Fadui, without any punishment.
All right.
Politicians, they will take Ghana for granted.
All right.
But for us in NDC, we won't do the same thing. We'll do things differently.
Okay.
We have learnt from the past. We have seen a Kufuado's incompetence, and ye be Juma Miss no Safata, near the Sasa, we hear our money move to Maba.
Honorable Dr. Ato Forson, thank you, leader.
Mansomedas.
Nyaminshra.
Nyaminshra was.
Minister was a you didn't come and once I call. And Yankupo Inshaw.
Thank you.
Brabe, we in